everyone and welcome to our channel Out of Box Tutorial. Today we are going to see that what is lambda function. So what is lambda function? Lambda function is similar to return statement. It will also return the value. But when to use lambda function? Lambda function is generally used when there is a one line statement. So let's see what is syntax of lambda function. So we have to first mention here lambda in a given function. First we have to mention here keyword lambda and then argument. What means argument? Argument means variable. How many variables are there? For example, a comma b. An expression. What we have to do with that variable? That is a plus b or a minus b or a into b. So this is syntax of lambda function. What is that? Lambda, argument, and after colon expression. So let's now see how to add two numbers using lambda function or how to subtract two numbers using lambda function. So as your syntax, we are first, as you can see, I have mentioned here variable x. You can mention any variable as you want. I have used x, you can take y, z, anywhere. Why you have taken x here? Because to return the value, we have seen in previous lecture return statement, what it does, that it returns the value that we can call function anytime. Suppose our program is many of let's say 50-60 lines and we want answer of this function. What we want? We want answer of this function. So what we will do? Print function name. So your function name is x. So we can easily print the given number or the function. So I have mentioned here x. X is equal to lambda. Lambda key1 is compulsory. We have to mention here specific. And what are variables? Variables are a comma b. And what we have to do? We have to do addition, that is a plus b. But you will say why we have to use lambda function? Because lambda statement is a single line statement. All the problem is detected in single line only and answer is available in single line only. In other statement it takes 4 to 5 lines to just do addition of two variables. So it is easier in lambda. Interpreter take less time to execute and it is easier to execute. So we have taken lambda function. So x is equal to lambda. Our variables are a comma b. What we have to do? We have to do addition. So a plus b. So now what we will do? Print. Why I mention here x? Because x is the whole value of this. So I mention here x. Let now 7 comma 2. What we will do? 7 will be assigned to a. 2 will be assigned to b. So what we will do? 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore you can print the addition of two variable in a single line statement only. So you get now why to use lambda function? Because it is easier to execute and it is execute single statement. Lambda function does not work if we taken more than one line. So it is only single line, so it is easier to execute. Let's now see what is the answer. The program, as you can see, here mentioned 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this is how lambda function is used and very easier. Then the lambda function is used when we have not the function name. So we can use lambda instead of x is equal to add. I have mentioned here x is equal to lambda. Thank you.
दोस्तों अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल पर नए हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन को दबाइए फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव करने के लिए। थैंक यू।